repeats a ton of times. What's happening there is we got 9 on the G string to 12 on the E string. And you want to be strictly down, up picking with this until you get to the end of it and you're going to start over. So it's a 7-note phrase. It's like 9 to 12, and then 10 to 12 on the B string, 11 on the E string, 9 to 10 on the B string. And then you start over with a new down. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that makes it like where each new time through you have a definite hit on the 1. So you can definitely emphasize the 1 and make that 1 louder if you want. So that's why I suggest doing it like that instead of alternating all the way and flipping it upside down each time you go through. So it keeps you on top of your 1 of each new phrase of 7/8. Okay, so that's Xanadu. Let's try that together. I'll give you a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Try it again. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is of course Spirit of Radio. So we have a pull off, 2 to open on the first string, 3 on the second string, back to that open. So it's then the same thing with the 5 to the 3 and back. So it's do the 2 again with the 3, and then you go double pull off, 4 2 0, back to that 3 0. So it's okay, let's try that. 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's try it a little slower. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is really on an acoustic guitar. It shouldn't be this dirty, but we got 506, and these are upstrokes. 706, 406, 506, and then we're gonna go little 4, 7, 5 on the second, and you could go to that 6 there, but if you go to that A bass right there, it gives you a big droning bass throughout. So it's like. Like I say, it's not supposed to sound dirty like that. But anyway, we got this 5 4 3 open, and then 4 2 3 open, and then 3 2 1 open, and then this is like a A sus 2 open 2 2 open open to the A sus 4, which is 2 2 and 3 there, to the regular A, and then little hammer on second string open to 2. Little E, so we got. Okay, so we have the Harmonics riffs from Red Barchetta. 12 on the G string, and you know when you do a harmonic, you put it right above that fret. And you don't press down, you just put your finger right on top of that fret. So that's G string 12. Then we go A string 7 to D string 7 to A string 12. So it's then same notes again, but different phrasing. So those sevens came quicker in succession to the next one. So. Okay, that goes for a while. Then the next one is 9 on the A string. And that's D string 5 to G string 5 to A string 5. So. And then same thing with the timing changes a little bit. Our last note's gonna be different. 9, 5, 5, 9 on the D. So it's. I'll do 2 sets of each. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. Next one. Okay, so that's a bit of like when it gets to the end of like a triumphant theme kind of closing up in the 2112 tune, Overture. So we got. So we start on the D string, 4th fret, and then 4, 6 on the G, 4 on the B, 6, 4, 6 on the G, 4 on the B, 2 4s on the G. So it's. You can do a hammer on that kind of 4 to 6 on the G if you want. To allow you to play it faster, easier, you know. Okay, so this is the intro to YYZ. This is like Morse code for YYZ, which is the Toronto Airport's little 3-letter insignia kind of thing. So this is in 10/8 time. It's gonna go. So we have 3 on the A to the 2 on the E string. We have 3 3s in a row there. 2 again, and then 3, 3, 3, 3. So 4 3s that time. Then at the end we have a 1, 2, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so. So there's 10 beats in that phrase. It's like 1, 2, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have this big like G chord with the double 3s down here at the bottom, normally for a G, you know. We're up on the 8th fret, 8, 7, open. That's our first 3 notes, 8, 7, open. Little 8, and then 8 on the 2nd, and then 4th string to 3rd string. Those are your open notes. So we got. That goes for a really long time in that song, so that's a good one to practice there. Then we have another riff from that song. So we have an A chord going on here, open 2, 2, 2. 3 hits, and then pull off 2 to open. 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string. Let's try that. 2, 3, and. Okay, so we have 2 E's, 7 on the A, which is another E, so then open again to 5. And then we go open again, 7 down to 2, slide it down there and then hit it again. And then we go 008, 07, 08 to 3. We start again with the opens. So we got. You could probably also do it like that with a little pull off there. So that one ends with like a 1, 2, 3, and you get in like a, you get in all those riffs and stuff. So this is like that Cygnus first part of Hemisheres. What we have is a 2, 4, 4, 3, open, open. So that's an F sharp one. We'll have that on the 7th fret also for a B. Eventually we'll have the A on the 5th fret and the D on the 10th fret. What we do is we hit the power chord part. And then we go 1st string, 3rd string, 2nd string. So it's. Okay, then we go up to B. We go back and forth between those two a couple times. We go to the 5. Up to the 10. Some more riffs from Hemisheres. Okay, so that was about 11 riffs from Rush. Some of the greatest Rush riffs by Lifeson. So glad to see them back jamming again. They got their great new drummer. Everybody have a great day. Thanks a lot.